Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Honor 50. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices, click on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Then you need to install this app from this developer and choose Open. Over here you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to select Receive on Honor and Send on an Android. Then click on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only, for example, this photo. Choose Send and tap on Got It. From here we have the ways to connect. We can input this key over here and click on Receive, but we can also scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Honor, choosing while using the upper only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code. And now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!